minus 2 sin square x. And sin 2x is also 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x for 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x equal 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. These are the certain identities which we will use in this exercise. Also sin 3x equal 3 sin x minus 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is the identity. Sin 3x equal 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. tan 3x equal 3 tan x minus 3 tan x minus tan cube x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. You may note down all these identities which I have written here. These are the identities. Sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x. Cos 2x equal cos square x minus sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x. These are the three identities of cos 2x. Sin 2x in terms of tan x, 2 tan x upon 1 plus sin square x. In term of tan cos 2x, 1 minus sin square upon 1 plus sin square x. And there are the other two identities, sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and tan 3x equal 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So you may note down. Written, written. Now see the question. It is given sin x equal 2 by 3, and the question is find the value of cos 2x. Now you know it is given, the value of given is sin x, and we have to determine the value of cos 2x. Now apply the identity of cos 2x in term of sin x. Cos 2x equal 1 minus 2 sin square x, you know very well, because I have just written the identity. So put the value of sin 2x here, 1 minus 2 into 2 by 3 whole square, 1 minus 2 into 4 by 9. This is equal to 8 upon 9. Now it is equal to 9 1 ja 9 minus 8, 1 by 9. So the value of cos 2x is 1 by 9. Okay. The second question is tan x is given, second tan x is 1 by 2. It is given. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड का फर्स्ट पार्ट है ये, कह रहा है कि tan x is 1 by 2, then find tan 2x. Find what is the value of tan 2x. Just it is given in term of tan x and is finding also in term of tan x. So apply the formula of tan 2x in term of tan x. You know, tan 2x equal 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square. देखो साइन 2x का और tan 2x के आइडेंटिटी में tan के फॉर्म में सिर्फ इतना अंतर है, यहाँ पे साइन में प्लस होता है और tan के आइडेंटिटी में माइनस होता है. तो tan 2x इक्वल 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. If you are putting the value of tan x, so this is equal to 2 multiply 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is cancel out. Now the remaining is 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 1 ja 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So it is equal to 3 by 4. That is equal to 4 by 3. So your answer is 4 by 3 is the right answer. Okay. See, 4 by 3 is the right answer. Now see the second part. It is also what is value of sin 2x. What is value of sin 2x if tan x is 1 by 2? Given that tan x is 1 by 2, then what is value of sin 2x? So the apply identity of sin 2x in term of tan x. You know, sin 2x equal 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is the value identity of sin 2x in term of tan x. Okay, students, tell me what is the value? What is value sin 2x if it is given tan x is 1 by 2 and we have to determine the value of sin 2x? 4 by 5. Okay. So 2 multiply 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square, 2 and 2 cancel out, 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 4, this is 1 upon 5 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 5, hence the answer is 4 by 5. Similarly, it is also asking cos 2x if it is sin 2 tan x is given. ठीक है, देखो cos 2x की आइडेंटिटी एक अंडर रूट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर 2x से भी आप यूज कर सकते हो, और दूसरा यू नो व्हाट इज द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ cos 2x इन टर्म ऑफ tan x. cos 2x इक्वल 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर x अपॉन 1 प्लस tan square. This is the also identity of cos 2x in term of tan x. So put the value of tan x 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now tell me what is the value? 3 by 5. Okay. 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to 3 by 4, 5 by 4. So 3 by 5 is the answer. 3 by 5 is the answer. क्योंकि 4 and 4 cancel out, so remaining is 3 by 4. The next question is question number 4. It is given here sin x equal to 2 by 3. Sin x equal to 2 by 3. Now we have to find the value of sin 3x. Now just apply the identity of sin 3x in term of sin x, and you know sin 3x equal 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now just put the value of sin 2x here, sin x here, to get the value of sin 3x. Now 3 multiply 2 by 3 minus 4 into 2 by 3 whole cube. 3 and 3 cancel out, 2 minus 4 into 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. So this is equal to 2 minus 4 8 ja 32 divided by 27. Right? So 27 into 2 54 minus 32 divided by 27. If you are subtracting 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 3, 2 divided by 27, and hence this is the answer 22 upon 27. Now come to the next question. It is given here question number 7, fourth part. Sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. Cos 2x equal tan x. To prove, you have to prove this sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x equal tan x. Now, students, if you are going to prove any identity, then, and if there is 1 with cos x, then always cancel 1 by using the identity of cos x, so that your identity or equation may be simple. Here, you know, sin 2x is, can be written as 2 sin x cos x. This is the identity of sin 2x. And you know, cos 2x is in term of cos x this is equal to cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1. If you are applying the identity of cos 2x in term of cos x, then 1 will be cancelled out. So apply here 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1. Apply identity of cos 2x. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus 1. 1 and 1 cancel out. Then the remaining is 2 sin x cos x divided by 2 cos square. Here 2 and 2 cancel out. Cos x cancel out. Then the remaining is only sin x upon cos x. And you know sin x upon cos x is tan x. So this is tan x, which is RHS, and this was to prove that sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x equal tan x. Hence it is proved. Clear? Clear everyone? Tell me, are you clear about this question? Okay. So see the next question. The next question is 1 plus sin 2x minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus sin 2x cos 2x one plus sin 2x plus cos 2x. Students, this is question number 4, but here in the right hand side there is some misprinting in my book. So if you can see in your book what is to prove in the right hand side, you may see there. I am going to simplify here just now. Okay? Yes, tan x is to be proved. Chalo. So just simplify this. See here. Here is the cos 2x. Now this cos 2x and 1. So always cancel 1 by apply the identity of cos 2x. If you are applying cos 2x 1 minus 2 sin square x, then definitely this one will cancel out. Okay? So here this is equal to 1 plus sin 2x minus 1 minus 2 sin square x divided by 1 plus sin 2x and cos 2x identity, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. Here, if you will open this bracket, so minus 1 plus 1 cancel out and this minus will become plus. So it is equal to sin 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, and here sin 2x plus 2 cos square x. Now again write the identity of sin 2x in both numerator and denominator. If you are writing, then this one will become 2 sin x cos x plus 2 sin square x, because sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x plus 2 sin square x divided by, again sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos square. Now You may see here is common in numerator 2 sin x and in denominator 2 cos x common. So if you are taking common here 2 sin x in numerator, then the remaining term will be 2 sin x if you are taking here cos x plus sin x in the numerator divided by, in the denominator there is common 2 cos x. So here is 2 cos x is common. So it is sin x plus cos x. Now easily these two terms is cancel out and 2 and 2 cancel out. So it is only sin x upon cos x, and you know sin x upon cos x is tan x, which was to be proved. So it was to prove here tan x. This was to tan x. You may note down. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? अगर कोई भी किसी भी स्टेप पे कहीं भी पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, क्योंकि हियर इज ओनली आइडेंटिटी एंड इफ यू नो ऑल दी आइडेंटिटी देन कैन डू योर क्वेश्चन इजली, अदरवाइज देयर मे बी प्रॉब्लम because at each step stage there is an identity is applied. Now the students, this question is for you for 2 minutes, and then I want to see who can do this question clearly. Cos cube x minus sin cube x divided by cos x minus sin x equal 1 by 2 plus 2 plus sin 2x. This is to be proved. So let's try this question within 2 minutes and see can you solve this question. Try yourself.
Done, students?
No one is replying. Who have done this question? Anyone who has done this question? Chandan has done. Okay. So students, to do this question, first of all, here you may see this is in the form of identity AQ minus BQ. So first of all, apply AQ minus BQ. Now you know AQ minus BQ is A minus B. So cos x minus sin x, A minus B, and in the second bracket A square plus B square. So this is A square plus B square because A is cos x and B is sin x. So A square plus B square or plus AB cos x sin x. ठीक है, माइनस में प्लस होता है प्लस में माइनस होता है, सबको पता है। तो cos ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब इक्वल ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन a minus b, a square plus b square plus divided by the whole term cos x minus sin x. Now this is cancel out. Now you know cos square plus sin square is 1. So it is equal to 1 plus cos x sin x. Now what is to prove here? It is to prove 1 by 2, 2 plus sin 2x. If here will be 2 cos x sin x, then that will be sin 2x. And here 2. So what is required here? Just divide by 2 and multiply by 2 both the term. So this is 2 plus 2 cos x sin x. Now this is the identity of sin 2x. So this one will become 1 by 2, 2 plus sin 2x, and this is proved. Clear? So this was very good question because there was a manipulation here in this step. If you will not apply any manipulation here, then you can't do this question. So focus on this step. The next question is most important question, and it is given cos x, cos 2x, cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 8x equal sin 16x, sin 16x divided by 16 sin x. 16 sin. This is 2. देखो, you know 2 sin x cos x equal sin 2x. Everyone know 2 sin x. Here I am writing identity. 2 sin x cos x equal sin 2x. This is the identity. So what is required here in the left hand side? If you multiply by 2 sin, divide by 2 sin x and multiply by 2 sin x in the numerator and denominator, there will be no change in the given identity in the left hand side, but you will get an identity. Divide by 2 sin x and then multiply by 2 sin x. So this is same, cancel out. Write cos x with type 2 sin x and the remaining
Now this is equal to sine 2x. This one will become sine 2x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sine x. Okay? And this is sine 2x cos 2x cos 4x cos 8x. Again, divide by 2, multiply by 2, so that this may be in the form of this one 2 sine 2x cos 2x. So if you are dividing by 2 here, so this one will become 4 sine x, and multiply by 2 here 2 sine 2x cos 2x into cos 4x cos 8x. Now again this is sine 2 sine x cos x in the form 2 sine x cos x, and you know, if here is 2 sine x cos x, if it is only single angle, then here is the double. So if it is 2x, then that will be 4x. So this is equal to sine 4x. Now in the next step 1 by 4 sine x sine 4x cos 4x cos 8x. Again divide by 2 and multiply by 2 to get in this form. So if you are applying, divide by 2, multiply by 2. Okay? In the next step, divide by 2, 1 by 2. If you are dividing here, 4 2 is 8. So this is 8 sine x, and this is equal to 2 sine, sorry, uh, this one will become directly I am writing sine 8x into cos 8x. One step I have left here. Okay, अगर यहाँ 2 का मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ अगर हमने 8 लिख लिया है, तो 2 का मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ है, 2 sin 4x cos 4x equal sin 8x. Again divide by 2, if you are dividing, so this is equal to 16 sin x, and multiply here 2 sin 8x cos 8x, and this is equal to sin 16x. So this is equal to 1 by 16 sin x into sin 16x, and hence this is your answer. This is the right hand side, that is sin 16x divided by 16 sin x, and this. Okay students, आज के लिए बस इतना.